What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to change the tail light bulb in your Mazda 3. So I'm going to show you how to remove the bulb from your tail light, but you can easily use this same technique to get to the turn signal. It's basically the same thing, you just need to take out a different connector. So first of all, you need to take out these two pop pins on the one side here. The bulbs are located behind this covering here. To remove the pop pins, you simply take a small screwdriver and pop the center piece out of the pin and then pull the pin out. Then you do the exact same thing in the pin above. Then you repeat the same thing on the other side of the car. You'll then want to remove the center plastic molding by popping it up from the center and removing that whole piece. Then back on the side, when you push the cover back, you can see the light bulb sockets are exposed. There's then one more clip to remove. It's right above where the bulbs are housed. This will give you a little bit more room to work. So remove that and you're good to go. Remove the bulb socket, you simply turn it counterclockwise and it pops out. That's the turn signal, and the one farther in is the tail light. I've had pretty good luck with the Phillips bulbs. So for the Mazda 3 you need the Phillips 7443. I'll leave a link in the description for these ones. To remove the older one, you simply pull it straight out. Just be careful it doesn't break in your hands. Then to install a new one, you'll want to take a cloth or a paper towel, because you don't want the oils from your hands getting in the bulb. And you simply insert it into the socket and press it straight in firmly. You should hear a satisfying snap, and then you'll know it's in there correctly. It's then a good idea to give it a test just to make sure it's in there correctly before you reinstall everything. You then take the bulb in the socket, insert it in the hole, turn it clockwise so you hear the click, then put everything back together and you're good to go. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing and liking this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Also check out my other Mazda 3 maintenance videos.